What's up, online shoppers? Are you going on a trip and you need to think of a way to organize all of your clothes and keep them separate and prevent your suitcase from being a mess and a disaster? Well, this here is the Tripped Extra Large Compression Packing Cubes 6-piece set for travel, and it is awesome. Now let's open them up. I'm gonna be honest, this is not the first set of packing cubes that I've purchased from Tripp. It's actually the third package, and I am a fan and a lover. I actually have bought these multiple times in different colors for all members of my family. So an unbagging, if you will, but I'm talking to you about a product I know well. Now this particular model here comes in 3 different colors. You can get it in teal, you can get it in a really pretty kind of a gray black color, and you can get it in white. And the 6-piece set is an essential set for travel. Now you've got these little containers. I love that they have this super convenient handle, easy to grab. You can even hang things up. I love that the zippers have these really nice little comfy thumb holes so that you can open up the package really easy. And the capacity of these little bags is pretty awesome. I love how convenient it is to pack my suitcase and compartmentalize everything. I don't know, maybe it's the Virgo in me, but I love organized suitcases. They say the load capacity for the total is 10 pounds, but I think that's basically like how much you can compress into here. So you've got this one, great little bag. You've got this one right here. These are compression packing cubes. So what they do is you fill them full of clothes, and then the zipper that goes all the way around the outside actually compresses them. So you can push down on them, do the zipper up, and then a package that was this wide gets compressed down to this. So you can imagine how convenient that is in your suitcase. So I'm going to show you. This is the zipper to get into your packing cube right there. Okay, so I can put my clothes in, but this here is the zipper that goes all the way around the packing cube. So we're gonna pull it. Again, it's got the really great little thumb cube there. I have opened this up, and you see how you get all of this width here in all of the packing cubes? That is how you get compression. So you fill this up as much as you can, you do up the zipper, and then after you have this all in here like this, and you wanna make it smaller, you just start at the end where the zipper is, zip it like this, and it compresses it down to something that is much flatter, and it fits in your suitcase easier. So we've got these 2 sides here. There's this one right here. There's this great little shoe bag as well, so that you can put your shoes in your suitcase without getting all the other stuff dirty. The other thing I use this for, travel hack, is a laundry bag. This is where the stinky socks and underwear go when we're not using them anymore. And then 2 of these larger style bags. Now, when you're not using them for luggage, what can you do with these? I'll tell you what I do with mine. I use them to organize my off-season clothes. So if I want to take out all my tank tops, all my bathing suits, all of my short shirts, all of my shorts from my drawers so that I can put in all the winter stuffs, because I live in Northern Ontario and there is a ton of snow and a lot of winter, I can put them in here, zip them up, put them in a storage bag. They stay free from dust, they stay neat and clean, and they are ready for me to grab as soon as the summer weather comes. Now these larger bags, you can even pack jackets in. They are big enough for that. Let's open one up so you can see the capacity. Again, really nice little pull zipper right here, 10-pound load capacity. So I can put my jacket in here, and this here is the zipper that opens it right up all the way around 360 degrees. There is the thickness that you get, like that. It's a pretty big capacity. Now, a few more things about the product specifications. The zippers are really, really strong zippers, and the material, hear that? That is ripstop nylon. So it's got a really nice strength to it, which means when you jam pack these full and then you do up the zipper, the material is strong enough to handle the demands of you compressing something thicker to something much thinner. Dimension wise, this is the largest one. It's almost 16 inches by 11, and then it's got a 4-inch width this way. This here is the medium one, and the dimensions on this are 14 by 10 with about a 1 inch here. The small one here is 10 by 7 by 1 inch. And then of course you have the extra small one right here. These are such an awesome hack for travel. I love how much I can pack, and I also love the versatility of using these to help store my off-season clothes. Nice and convenient. You can get a color for every family member, so even if you're packing for a couple people in one suitcase, the green are mine, the white are yours. Easy to grab, easy to see. These make travel and packing for travel so easy and so delightful. These stripped compression packing cubes are definitely a family favorite at my house.